Which nation has allowed couples to have 3 children, ending its two-child policy? China. The World No Tobacco Day has been observed on which date? May 31. Who is the author of the book titled Languages of Truth Essays 2003-2020? Salman Rushdie. Which nation will host the suspended 14th IPL edition? UAE. How much amount of monetary assistance has been approved by the government to students through DBT under midday meal scheme? 11.8 crore. As per OECD, what is the GDP growth rate estimated for the Indian economy in financial year 2022? 9.9%. According to the Statistics Ministry, the Indian economy contracted by how much percent in the fiscal year 2020-21? 7.3%. Who is the author of the book Savarkar, A Contested Legacy 1924-1966? Vikram Sampath. What is the theme of World No Tobacco Day 2021? Commit to quit. WHO has given what names to the COVID-19 variants first found in India? Kappa and Delta. Who is the author of the book Stargazing: The Players in My Life? Ravi Shastri. Who has been awarded the FIH President's Award for a contribution towards the development and promotion of hockey? V. Karthikeyan Pandyan. The world's first human case of H1N3 bird flu has been reported in which nation? China. Every year, June 1 is dedicated to celebrating which day? World Milk Day. What is the theme of 2021 World Milk Day? sustainability in the dairy sector.